Hello and good day. And so this is my review on this GearAid Hero Clip. So the reason I wanted this was because I actually saw my brother using this for a variety of different purposes, and he actually attaches this to his work bag. So this is actually really cool because it not only can it be used for a bag, I think it's basically promoted to be using for like outdoor gear or camping. I'm on the go a lot and I do work from home. So with it though, I do work at cafes and basically I can actually just hang my bag anywhere. So this is how it actually looks like. So I recently just traveled to Canada and I was using this quite a bit and hanging it on tables. Actually, let me show you it in action. So you can see my bag here. It's able to be hung on basically just about anything, and that's what it looks like. It's just hanging from a table. So if you can imagine the diversity of different uses that this could actually be used for, in which you can hang practically just about anything that has a hook. So it's very, very sturdy. It's very, very stable. It doesn't take up a lot of room. So if I want to fold it back up, it actually just rotates just like this, just like that, and kind of clamps back in within itself. So you just put this, there you go, and basically just clamps in within itself just like that. So it doesn't take up a lot of room. Like I said, it's basically just like a carabiner clip, but overall very pleased with it. It's super multifunctional. I recommend anyone, especially those who have bags, to actually use this, just because you're not always going to find hooks for your own bag. So great gift as well.